New intro? Yay, nay? Just kidding.
Y'all, moving out can be so expensive, especially when you're doing it in a big city like Chicago. Well, I'm going to show you how I cut a few corners and had a lot of fun with my DIY and thrifted pieces.
Hey y'all, it's Jess. Today I'm going to show y'all how to decorate on a budget. You know, ball on a budget. We're going to decorate on a budget. Let's start with these photos behind me because I did those. Yep. These pictures, when I first painted them, they were actually originally pink. I'll insert a clip of the pink ones, but with quarantine, sis got a little bored and I made them green just because. Normally artwork is super expensive and I was able to get all of the supplies for both of these things and paint them for under $70. Yes, under $70. I waited until the craft stores had sales, like those 50% off coupons, and bought my canvases 50% off. Paint, even if it's not like amazing paint, is very inexpensive. We're talking about $1.50 a bottle for the little bottles. Paintbrushes also very inexpensive. So step one, make your own artwork. You may say, Jessica, I'm not an artist. I suck at painting. Y'all get a canvas and literally your colors. Super easy. Let's move to our next item. So when you first log into my apartment, there's this cute little nook and I wanted a little mirror, but I didn't want to pay for like the extravagant mirrors that I wanted. So I made one. So this mirror is actually a true DIY with a pinch of thrift. My father and I went to, I think it was Menards, and we bought some glass, and then we bought, this is actually baseboards and some paint, and we cut the baseboards with wood machine and we painted them, and then we attached it all together with adhesive. And then I thrifted jewelry from like thrift stores. What else are you gonna thrift for? Like, these are belt buckles. Some of my friends donated their jewelry to me. I wanted something very unique in my home, so I made a mirror. Like, these are brooches, earrings. I don't even know what that was, probably another brooch. But yeah, it took me a while, took a lot of glue. You may not be interested in bedazzling a mirror, but you can find a really nice one at a thrift store or on Facebook Marketplace and paint it. Maybe it's an old dingy wood. Paint it. Brand new mirror. Add to your space. If you want to be fancy, add some stuff to it. Pearls, jewelry, little wood things. Be creative, but the small basis is you can get an older piece and up-purpose it for what you want. Speaking of up-purposing, let's look at my TV stand. It's orange juice, just in case you wanted to know. It's a little dark, but let's get into my TV stand. Hello, TV stand. This thing I also thrifted. It was just a big brown box, and then I bought some silver paint and some mirrors and some grout, and I made it into this. Added a cute little cheetah box down there. My router's here with some little festive books. I've read Girl Boss, You Are a Badass, been meaning to read it, haven't. And then ILL. So this is a book that I'll give to my kids whenever I have some. But yeah, cute little TV stand. I have my router, a candle, a cute little dish. But this way, I didn't have to spend a lot of money on a TV stand. I think the brown thing cost me 10 bucks. The mirrors were super cheap from Target. I broke them. Yes, I broke the mirror with a hammer, and then I just some glue, then I grouted it all in. So the sides are just silver. Inside the cubby is just silver. The paint didn't take well, but I kind of like the little distressed looking it did in there. And then of course I mirrored the tops. For any superstitious person out there that's probably like, oh my God, I can't believe you broke a mirror. My guy got me, period. The last thing I want to show you all is my coffee table that normally sits in the middle of this floor in this room. I moved it for the purpose of this video, but let me show you. This is my coffee table. I got it from a thrift store up north. I think it cost me 20 bucks, y'all. I like it because it's glass, so it's easy to match with whatever decor I wanted to do in here. I keep my printer down there, and then just some cute little books, the antique book, the little flowers. But yeah, this is my $20 coffee table. Ta-da! That coffee table required no upcycling, no DIY. It's just a coffee table. That's a simple piece that you may be able to find out thrifting. Maybe you can find your couch out thrifting on Facebook Marketplace or from a friend. The biggest thing is do not break the bank trying to furnish your apartment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about any of the items that I've created or any good tips to look out for while thrifting. Yeah, that's about it. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, y'all.